Electrostatic analog. Analogous means comparison of electricity and present topic magnetism. In the electricity, charge denoted by Q. Look here now. In the electricity, charge denoted by Q. Same analogous term in the magnetism is pole strength. Here, look here. Charge analogous to pole strength in the magnetism, pole strength. For example, this is the dipole, di 2. One is minus Q, other one is plus Q, and separated by a certain distance 2L. That is called electric dipole. Electric dipole. Magnetic dipole, the best example is bar magnet. Here two poles, one pole south pole, other pole north pole. Here magnetic length denoted by 2L. The distance between, shortest distance between two poles of the magnet is called magnetic length. Here, look here, Nana, both are look here. Here minus Q analogous to south pole, plus Q analogous to north pole. That means in the electricity, minus Q is nothing but the south pole of the magnetism. Plus Q is nothing but the north pole of the magnetism. Next, here in the chapter we know that magnetic moment or magnetic dipole moment denoted by capital M. It write as magnetic length into pole strength. Here electric dipole moment. Once again repeat, capital M write as magnetic dipole moment. Capital P is nothing but the electric dipole moment. In the chapter length denoted by 2L. Here pole strength analogous is charge number. Here electric dipole moment formula 2L into Q. Next, Nana. Look here, Nana. This line, this is the point P. Here, this is the point P. Here, Nana, magnetic field determined due to bar magnet to produce the magnetic field. Magnetic field here, this line is called axial line, and B due to bar magnet on axial line. Formula is mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube. Here. Look here. This is the electric dipole. This line is called axial line. On the point, electrical field can be determined. Electrical field intensity. Electrical field intensity denoted by E on axial line is here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. In the magnetism here constant is mu naught by 4 pi. Electricity this constant is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p by r cube. Here E equatorial, that means point P, shift here now. This is the equatorial line, the line passing through center of the dipole and perpendicular to axial line. This line is called equatorial line. Equatorial line में electrical field formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r cube. That means E axial equal to 2 times of the E equatorial. Here. This point shift to here, Nana. This line is called equatorial line. Here also magnetic field due to bar magnet on equatorial line is mu naught by 4 pi. Here m by r cube. Here B axial equal to 2 times of the B equatorial. 2 times of the B equatorial. Next, Nana. Here bar magnet is placed in uniform magnetic field. This bar magnet makes an angle theta with the field. Once again I repeat Nana, bar magnet placed in a magnetic field, placed in a magnetic field. Here magnetic moment and B, angle is theta. Theta is angle between M and B. Torque acting on the magnet is formula is in the magnetism mb sin theta. mb sin theta. Here analogous is here also this is the electric dipole minus q plus q. This is the dipole moment direction. Dipole moment direction always minus q2 plus q. This is placed in uniform electrical field. This angle is theta. Here ila unte nana here torque ki formula P E sin theta. Here nana electrical dipole rotate means work is done. In the magnetism work ki formula work done. Enduku work done? Work done to rotate the magnet here from initial angle theta 1 to final angle theta 2. What is the formula for work done to turn the magnet? mb cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Here m analogous is p, b analogous is e into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Next another formula is potential energy. Potential energy of the magnet formula is minus mb cos theta in magnetism. This potential energy in the electricity is minus m is analogous p, b is analogous e cos theta. This is the potential energy of the electrical dipole. The dipole is placed in the electrical field. Next one, in the magnetism, time period of the bar magnet formula is 2 pi under root I by mb. Here time period of the electrical dipole is 2 pi under root I is moment of inertia. Here m is analogous to p, b is analogous to e. Akkada magnetic field, ikkada electrical field. Akkada magnetic moment, ikkada electric dipole moment. I is always moment of inertia. This is the analogous of the electricity and magnetism. Electricity and magnetism. Next, I discuss flux. Look here. In the magnetism, already yesterday I discussed flux formula is B bar dot A bar. Finally, it concludes B A cos theta. Here simply called as magnetic lines passing given area is nothing but the magnetic flux. Here electrical flux means magnetic field analogous E bar. Area same. In the magnetism phi equal to B bar dot A bar. In the electricity E bar dot A bar. It neatly write as EA cos theta. Its definition is number of electric lines passing through given area. Number of electric lines passing through given area is nothing but the magnetic flux, electrical flux. Number of electrical lines passing through given area is called electrical flux. Number of magnetic lines passing through given area is called as magnetic flux. Magnetic flux denoted by phi. Its SI unit is Weber. SI unit is Weber. CGS unit is Maxwell. Here, look here. Gauss law in magnetism. Here, Gauss law in magnetism, Nana. Here, Gauss law is nothing but in the electricity. Nana, this chapter is electricity chapter. After June, start the classes, Nana, electricity. According to electricity, Gauss law, phi and electrical flux. According to electrical flux. E bar dot A bar here. E bar dot dA bar. I take a small area. Small becomes large by applying integration. Here right side phi equal to Q net by epsilon naught. This is the Gauss law in electricity. What is the Gauss law formula in electricity? Electrical flux equal to integration of E bar dot dA bar equal to Q net by epsilon naught. Here I take total charge. Other in the magnetism, Gauss law I write analogous means here this is magnetic flux. Here electricity flux EA, magnetic flux BA. Here write analogous to see here integration. Electrical field analogous B bar. Nana, electrical field E analogous B bar. Magnetic field area same equal to here epsilon naught in electricity. Mu naught in magnetism. Both are inversely. Here, magnetism mu naught right. Electricity epsilon naught right. Inversely right. Here denominator, here numerator. Q charge analogous is pole strength M net. This is the Gauss law in magnetism. Here, in the Gauss law, in the magnetism, simply called as monopoles do not exist. Once again I repeat, monopoles do not exist. Only dipole will be exist. Monopoles do not exist. Dipole will be exist. Dipole means di, two. One is south, other one is north. Here monopoles do not exist. Only dipole will be exist. Here south and minus m, north plus m. Here consider as here according to Gauss law, magnetic flux equal to mu naught into m net. In the magnetism, monopoles do not exist. Dipole will be exist. Dipole means one is south pole, other one is north pole. South pole write as minus m, north pole write as plus m. Total becomes 0. That means flux becomes 0. That means magnetic flux 0. No lines passing in the closed surface. That is nothing but for example, I take south. South means magnetic lines inward. North means magnetic lines outward. Number of lines inward equal to number of lines outward. That means both are in opposite direction. Both will be cancelled. Net lines passing through given surface becomes 0. This is the Gauss law in magnetism. According to Gauss law in magnetism, total flux is 0. That means net magnetic lines passing through given surface becomes 0. That means number of lines inward equal to number of lines outward. That is both are cancelled to each other. I discussed 2 or 3 problems according to graphs. I can explain to see here. To see this problem is most important. Here, keyword in the problem, paramagnetic substance. Given substance is paramagnetic substance. Nana. Here the graph is drawn between J and 1 by T. Nana, actually J is depends upon the temperature. Graph is a straight line here according to graph. Here this substance is paramagnetic substance. So that's why we follow Curie's law. The substance is diamagnetic substance, that is susceptibility independent upon the temperature. Now that means not depends upon the temperature. For example, the substance is ferromagnetic substance. The susceptibility is inversely proportional to temperature. That follows Curie-Weiss law to see in the previous topic, in the Thursday concept to see here. This is the Curie's law. According to Curie's law, J equal to C by T. Here, C is called Curie constant. This can be determined. This is the question. According to diagram, susceptibility is cut here, Nana, 0.4. C is C. According to diagram, 1 by T value, here cut the graph is 7. Here 7 into 10 power minus 3 is given in the question. 7 into 10 power minus 3. Neatly write as C value here. 0.4 write as 4 by 10. Denominator other side, numerator 7 into 10 power minus 3. Okay? Here neatly write as it get 400 by 7. 400 by 7. It will be calculated, it get 57 Kelvin. Here, Curie constant unit is Kelvin. Kelvin. Here, Nana, C is called C, susceptibility no units. Here, T other side, numerator, temperature units is Kelvin. So, automatically C units also Kelvin. This is the answer, Nana. Once again repeat, this is susceptibility value, this is 1 by T value. Here substitute in the formula. Here why here Curie law is applicable. Keyword in the problem, the substance is paramagnetic substance. So that's why I apply Curie's law. What is the Curie's law? Susceptibility equal to C by T. Okay. Next video I discuss next week's syllabus hysteresis.